is up, YouTube? Holy freaking smokes. So let's have a little story time. Mike's car's done. Streetspeed717's car's finally done after being in the shop so freaking long. He came and picked it up last night, or like it'll be Tuesday night. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but he came and picked it up Tuesday night. And we didn't have enough gas in the gas tank, and it ran dry on gas, so we had to put more gas in the gas tank and pretty much bleed the system back out again, which became a pain in the butt. But we got it done, which was nice. Got it on the trailer, which was a very eventful situation in the snow that we are now having. And this was last night when we had this snow. This snow was on the ground last night as well. We were loading his car up on the trailer in this muck. And I tell you what, loading a Corvette up that is a high horsepower supercharged Corvette in snow like this on a trailer that has snow on it and stuff, it was very much an interesting experience, I will not lie. So basically what we're doing right now is I've gotten up extremely early, and Mike is getting up extremely early to head to the dyno in Gettysburg, and we're gonna put this thing on the dyno. This is like literally last minute stuff that's going on here, because that car has to be in Florida, or it's leaving for Florida Wednesday, which would be today, around noon or 1 o'clock. They're picking the car up, and it's going to Florida, and then he's flying down to Florida, and he's doing this whole Rob Freddy race thing. So whew, man, it was a long night, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that car has been haunting me for the last 2 months. Woo-wee! Get my climate control up. Yeah, I got mine up. 73 degrees, man. It's feeling nice in here now. Alrighty. It's at 181 right now. Small pull. Do a small pull, see where we're at, see what we got going on. Look, make sure our fuel's good. I'll watch the spark knock. The method's probably going to spray, so we're probably going to run really, really rich. So, how much power did it make? Sounds nasty. My GoPro fell down. So what was the last? What was the RPM and what did it make?
Okay.
At that RPM, because we didn't go that far.
RPM, I left off about 4,800.
Wow. And it made 690 already.
Yeah, 693.
That's crazy. And air
fuel was like 13.2, 13.2.
Yeah. We're gonna add some. Since we have all this awesome fuel system in here, we're gonna add some fuel system to it. Some more fuel. What is, Mike? What are you doing?
Warming myself up.
What are you doing, Mike?
Warming myself up.
Mike's cold. All right, so it was running a little lean. So I added some fuel to it, because we know we have more than enough of fuel now.
Yeah.
And we'll see what she does now, you know what I mean? Hopefully we'll make 900.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay. Nobody breathe. I mean, you can breathe a little bit.
Good. I can't hold my breath, I got asthma.
Alright, I'm ready when you are. 13.1.
Get a message, it's cold.
Yeah. Come here. Here's what we're doing. Since the horsepower reading's like wigging out and stuff, what I'm doing right now is what we can only, you can shut it off, yeah. Pretty much what we can do right now is I'm tuning it to make it, the air fuel is going to be accurate, making sure the spark's accurate.
Just won't know what power.
We just ain't gonna know what power it makes. But basically we're gonna know it's safe and you can race it.
Okay.
And it's gonna be perfect. And then
hold on, Andy, hold on.
it's okay, I got it on my GoPro. It's okay, I got it on my GoPro.
Oh, you did? All right, well, explain it to me.
Okay, so what we're doing right now is, since the dyno's wigging out because of the weather and all that jazz, and it's wigging out with the horsepower numbers, we're just going to pay attention to the air-fuel ratio and the spark, and make sure there's no spark knock, and the air-fuel ratio is good, which right now it's like 12.9, 13.0, which is perfect. All the way up to 6 grand. We'll probably do another pull and see if we can get it up to like 68, make sure it's good top there. Because then at least we know it's safe to run.
Yeah.
We just, unfortunately, because of the dyno wigging out, we're not going to have any horsepower numbers, maybe.
Well,
We might get lucky, we might not, I don't know, but as of right now, at least it's tuned and it's going to work.
all right.
And you can race it, it's going to function the way it's supposed to be functioning.
Sounds good.
Okay, so you're still good to go, it's just you're not going to be able to say, oh, I make 700 horsepower, 800 horsepower. Not at this time. Taking a little break. Look how dirty this thing is.
Yeah.
I don't think this car's ever been this dirty.
Been trailered for like, well,
Overnight and freaking this morning.
To your place, and 40,
You know what?
40 miles here.
At least the tuning's working out, so that's good. My camera's dirty. I cleaned it for our pretty faces.
If I have my glasses on right now, I look like the fucking Unabomber.
People are probably like, "What the hell?" Are you ready?
I'm gonna test it.
All right.
All right.
That's sure, but I don't want to stand here. I want to go down here. Woo! Damn, that thing sounds good.
Wow.
No.
Hey, I got on the app. Let's ride like that.
All right, you ready to rock and roll?
Whenever you are.
All right, I'm ready. I gotta get back to work. Sorry, Mike. Sorry, Mike, for leaving you.
Best to make out later.
Yeah, let's make a pull happen, boss man.
Let's try it.
Let's do it. Let's see what she does.
It's like the spark just makes the fuck out.
Hey, it probably does. Well, we'll see what this does. Air fuel, we know air fuel is good to go, so that's a good thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That was my main concern, is air fuel and spark, and my timing cable's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. So we're right there. It'd be nice to see some good numbers, but if that doesn't happen, who cares? As long as it's safe. Intake air temperature at the map is 36 degrees, and then intake air temperature at the blower is 57. That's fucking nuts, man.
700 horsepower. Yeah. That's on SAE.
It's making the same numbers.
Standard 711 802.
Hey, Mike. On STD, which is what we dynoed before, what is it?
711.
711 802
Not bad.
on SCD, not on SAE, but how much time do we have, Mike?
It's 11:30. We have about 45 minutes.
Before we have to get it on the dyno?
Before
Or get it off?
Get it on the trail.
Okay, so I'm going to try to spend as much time as I possibly can with this for you. Okay? And try to get things happening. You know, the only difference between your old car and this car is the meth, and that's it.
That's it, yeah.
That's the only, and the fuel system, but that doesn't count. But that's the only, well, no, the fuel system was in there when we did it, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think
And there's just no meth. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? I mean, you're a couple horsepower off, but torque is right where it was before.
Yeah, but that don't make any sense. That
You know?
We're about the same.
we were
And it's an
680.
automatic.
No, we're not the same. Their car made 780 horsepower.
No, I mean 770 and 799 torque. In STD mode, not SAE.
So, and we're making 700 horsepower.
We're making 700, 770 again, basically. The horsepower is down, but the torque's right where it needs to be, even with the map. I don't know. But you gotta understand, it's an automatic too, man. It's not a 7-speed. The last time it was 7-speed. Automatic's gonna eat up more horsepower.
Automatic's trying to make me feel better.
I'm trying to explain to you reality here. Reality.
And he's trying to
Oh
brainwash
my
me.
God, this guy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh my God. Okay, come on. Alright guys, I am finally home. Long night, long day today. Obviously, as you guys can see, you know, the vet didn't put down the numbers we were expecting, which is fine. The whole point of getting it on the dyno as quickly as we did was to, my camera's kind of crooked, there we go, was to make sure air fuel was exactly where it needs to be and spark was good and all that stuff, and everything turned out fine. So the vet's drivable. He can race it, he can go beat the crap out of it, all that stuff. We're definitely going to be getting on the dyno again to do finalization of tunes, see if we can pick up more ponies, which I'm sure there's a lot left on the table. But from a professional standpoint, I think it's okay for what he's going to be doing at this point, and just the time constraints that we have on the tuning and the build and everything was just crazy. Keep in mind, guys, you know, and I've explained this to you a lot in previous videos, is, you know, a dyno is a tuning tool. It's not, you know, any dynos can show low numbers and high numbers and this number and that number, and it's irrelative. It really is. It all comes down to, you know, safe air fuel, safe spark advance, and no spark knock and stuff of that nature, regardless of what the power numbers say. The true test, honestly, in my opinion, is what's that thing going to do down to quarter mile, what's it going to do to track, at a circle track, or at a mile track, or a half mile track, or a quarter mile track, whatever. That's the true idea of what power can do for you. Dynos are literally just tuning tools, so don't take it to heart. Really, don't take it to heart. I know I've had a lot of cars make a lot of big numbers. I've had a lot of cars make a lot of low numbers. It's just, it is what it is, you know. But other than that, I'm going to end this video. I'm tired. It's been a long Monday, Tuesday, and now it's Wednesday. Hopefully this video will be up tonight. It might be a little bit later. I don't know. We'll see. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I almost did deuces. See how messed up I am right now? I almost did deuces. It wasn't even time to do deuces. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see awesome new content. I'm going to have another video coming out about the Ford Focus here soon. Diablo Formula Racing is on Instagram. We are also on Facebook at Diablo Formula Racing. Go check us out over there. Like our page. Follow us on IG. All that fun stuff. Other than that, guys, I'm going to go inside and get some food and something to drink. And deuces.